everybody. Today we are going to demonstrate the interlocking weaving technique. So I got my trusty loom right here. And I've previously done a row of tabby weave or plain weave. And I am going to use my yellow bar. And when I demonstrate this, I like to demonstrate it in the middle. However, it does not have to stay that way. Obviously, you can do this technique. You can have the interlocking. You can have the threads actually meet anywhere. All right, so if you see this space right here, this is where they're going to meet. So in dovetail, like I've demonstrated previously, we would wrap the threads around a warp thread. The weft threads would wrap around one warp thread in dovetailing. However, in interlocking, it's a little bit different. When I taught middle school, I would pretend like the two colors were going out on a date, and they would meet somewhere like at McDonald's, and they'd give each other a hug. So we got to give each other a hug, okay? So they're going to hug each other, and then they're going to go back home. So I've wrapped my yellow around the green. So now I'm going to go back to the side, which I call home. And then the same thing's going to happen with the green. I went over this warp thread, so I'm going to do the opposite. Okay. And now that I'm home, I'm going to take my pick or use my fingers, and I'm going to pack that weaving. Okay, I'm packing it down. The goal is not to see the warp threads. Now, remember, you need to bubble a little bit. You can kind of see where I'm going in the side here, and I don't want to do that. So when I go back and do my next row, I'm going to bubble a little bit on the side. Okay. So that way I'm going to meet in the middle. Let's do one more row. Again, I'm going to hug, and then we're going to go back home. Okay. Got to make sure that's bubbled. I feel like I need to pull on that a little bit. Then I'm going to pick up my warp threads and take my balls of yarn to the side. So I'm forming a shed, my balls of yarn, and then I'm going to pack that down. Okay. So that is how you do the interlocking technique.